Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Today, I want to tell about the news of cryptocurrency from Thiel.com. Kala Games reveal detail about Spider Tank in first lead paper. Spider Tank, the world's first Web3 e-sport, was announced over a year ago and is the result of a collaboration between Gala Games and Gala Media. The first version of the official light paper for Spider Tank has now been published on the Gala Games blog. In the official post, Gala Games and Game Media unveiled the Spider Tank light paper. Gala Games also took the opportunity and unveiled Project GER, a new blockchain with a game-first approach. The upcoming Spider Tank will be powered by the new GER blockchain and will be the newest addition to the Gala Games ecosystem. The Spider Tank light paper, what it is in it, the light paper provided an early glimpse into what Spider Tank will look like and how it will work. Here are some highlights from the paper. The in-game economy will run on Thiel and ERC-20 token. Thiel can be obtained by playing the game, winning battles, and contributing to the ecosystem. NFT coming from in the form of tank body and tank weapon. The two can be combined to make a hero tank. Winning battles with the tank award player with victory point, which can later be redeemed for Thiel. Player can hold Thiel in their in-game treasure cache or spend it. With Thiel, player can buy Arachneo, buy an upgrade tank, upgrade maps, and much more. Map owner receive a small portion of victory point from the pool awarded to a winner for hosting matches on their maps. Better known, owner will also receive a reward. Free to play. Players who do not own a tank can also participate in the game via the pilot program, but tank owners and pilots are eligible to receive Silk Award. Interestingly, the amount of reward earned seems to be based on the rarity of the NFT used by each player. Essentially, the rarer the NFTs, the greater the reward. The light paper reads, every time they win a match, the specific number of victory point reward is based on the level and rarity of their NFT use. Gala and Gamedia AMA livestream highlights on 19 July. Gala and Gamedia hosts an AMA in which they discuss the upcoming free-for-all battle. The questions presented to developers were selected from the official Spider Tank Discord server. Below are a few key questions from the AMA that reveal more about the game. So until you from me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you.